Well, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Samsung phone wake for notifications. So this is easy to do. Now there's really nothing on our phone that will allow it to just wake. So we do need to go to the Google Play Store and we need to get this application. Just go to search and type in Glimpse. So Glimpse right here. And we want to get this application. It's called Glimpse Notifications. Just like this. And then install and open this up. Then we wanted to enable it under the permissions. So let's find Glimpse Notifications right here and just turn this on, go to allow. Then we can go back. And now we have this menu. And we can just go to the different notifications now and we can just enable them. So we just need to enable this permission again so they can pop up on the lock screen. A test notification will be sent in 5 seconds. You can turn off the screen to test. Okay, so we just test it. We can turn off the screen now and see if anything pops up. Oh, actually it popped up right there. So wake up your screen. So you can use this application just to get notifications now on your lock screen. Or open this up. Lock the device using Android Accessibility Service. Okay. The decline list allows you to continue using Glimpse notifications, but would disable all features requiring an accessibility service. Okay, so I can see it's working right now, and I should be getting notifications now when it's locked. And then we have motion detection, and then we got some other options in your quiet time. If we want a quiet time for this lock screen, let's go to this and just look at it. Customize lock screen display, and yeah, I don't know. But it helps it to detect it on the lock screen. So just look at this, play around with it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.